Not going outside, only testing the sound in the house from inside the door. But what I am saying and realising, as the sun has just come up and the sound has started outside, and it wasn't bothering me too much. And yet I realised that then it was starting to bother me a lot, getting to me. And that's because initially it sounds like one sound coming, whereas in reality, as I realised, there are three sounds coming into the place. The mobile only picks up very lightly one. So three sounds are coming into my brain. One of them is quite hypnotic, and the other two, particularly the one that only my ears picks up, is what you call subliminal, and that I think means that it goes into your unconscious. It goes, you don't hear it directly, but you hear it only when you concentrate or if you become aware of it, because I concentrate on the sound when I start to feel sick, because I'm aware that it's affecting me. Because originally when the sound started up, when the sun came up, it isn't as loud as usual. So I thought, oh, it's okay. But you see, it's tricky, these sounds, because they're actually all designed to affect you, even when you're not consciously aware of it, which is surprising. You know, and I'm using words here. Whatever words I use will be used by the internet controllers. I observe that when I turn on the internet or on a computer screen. If I use the word tricky, that word will come up immediately in any video I watch. If I use the word subliminal, that word will come up. So every word I'm using to describe what I'm describing, they will also use the same words. Sometimes in something similar that you're talking about, you know, in other words, direct imitation, or in completely unrelated videos.